In the small town of Lumina Bay, 10-year-old Eli stumbled upon an ancient bracelet hidden in his attic. The moment he slipped it on, a jolt of electricity surged through him, granting him the incredible power to control lightning. But Eli wasn't alone in his newfound abilities. His two best friends, Mia, a budding scientist with a super-strength invention, and Theo, a track star with speed-enhancing sneakers, joined forces with him, forming the extraordinary Lightning League. Their first mission arrived sooner than expected. The town's iconic lighthouse, a beacon of hope for sailors, plunged into darkness, leaving numerous ships stranded at sea. The culprit? Shade, a mischievous shadowy figure who thrived on darkness and chaos. Eli, harnessing his newly discovered lightning powers, illuminated the night sky, his bolts of electricity piercing the gloom. Mia, with her enhanced strength, diligently repaired the damaged power circuit, her muscles straining with each precise movement. Meanwhile, Theo, a blur of motion in his speed-enhancing sneakers, expertly navigated Shade's shadowy traps, his quick feet a constant challenge to the mischievous figure. Together, they worked in perfect harmony. Eli's lightning banished the shadows, Mia's strength restored the lighthouse's power, and Theo's speed ensured their success against Shade's cunning traps. With the lighthouse's beacon shining brightly once more, the stranded ships found their way to safety, and the town erupted in cheers. As Lumina Bay celebrated their rescue, Eli looked at his friends, a sense of accomplishment washing over him. "With great power," he declared, a grin spreading across his face, "comes great responsibility and a whole lot of fun." And so, the Lightning League stood ready, prepared for whatever adventures lay ahead, their bond stronger than ever, their powers combined, ready to protect their beloved Lumina Bay.